So welcome friends. Today we'll discuss Bank of Baroda. This is the third largest public sector bank with a market cap of about 1,31,000 crores. The bank is engaged in providing various services such as personal banking, corporate banking, international banking, small and medium enterprise banking, rural banking, NRI services, and treasury services. Now we'll have a look at the recent results of Q1 FY25. So having a look at the deposits, it grew from 10,50,000 crores to 11,05,000 crores, which was a jump of 5.3% year-to-year basis. International deposits also grew from 1,49,000 crores to about 2 lakh crores, which was a jump of 34.7% on year-to-year basis. So the total global deposits grew from 11,99,000 crores to 13,06,000 crores, which was a jump of 8.9% on year-to-year basis. Having a look at the total business of the bank, it grew from 21,90,000 crores to 23,78,000 crores, which was a jump of 8.6% on year-to-year basis. Net interest income grew from 10,997 crores to 11,600 crores on year-to-year basis, which was a jump of about 5.5%, while operating profits declined from 7,824 crores to 7,161 crores, which was a drop of about 8.5% on year-to-year basis. Net profits grew from 4,070 crores to 4,458 crores, which was a jump of about 9.5% on year-to-year basis. Gross NPAs declined by 63 basis points from 3.51% to 2.88. And net NPAs also saw a decline of about 9 basis points from 0.78% in Q1 FY24 to 0.69% in Q1 FY25. So having a look at the total interest income, it grew from 26,556 crores to 29,629 crores, which was a jump of about 11.6% on year-to-year basis. So net interest income grew by 5.5% from 10,997 crores to 11,600 crores. Non-net interest income it declined by 25% on year-to-year basis from 3,332 crores to 2,487 crores. Operating profits also saw a decline of 8.5% from 7,824 crores to 7,161 crores. Fee-based income also saw a decline of about 1.9% from 1,507 crores to 1,479 crores. Treasury income also saw a decline of 74.4% from 1,152 crores to 295 crores. Other non-interest income saw a growth of 7.7% on year-to-year basis from 663 crores to 714 crores, and total non-interest income saw a decline of about 25.1% from 3,322 crores to 2,487 crores. Employee cost saw an increase of 6.9% on year-to-year basis from 3,752 crores, it rose to 4,014 crores. Other expenses also saw a growth of an increase of about 6.2% from 2,740 crores to 2,912 crores. So overall operating expenses increased by 6.6% from 6,495 crores to 6,926 crores. So accordingly, the operating profits declined by 8.5% on year-to-year basis from 7,824 crores to 7,161 crores. Total provisions saw a decline of about 48.1% from 1,946 crores in Q1 of FY24. It declined to 1,011 crores in Q1 of FY25. So on the profit, net profit grew from 4,070 crores to 4,458 crores, which was a jump of 9.5% on year-to-year basis. So having a look at the advances, home loans grew from 99,000 crores to 1,14,000 crores, which was a jump of 14.7% on year-to-year basis. Auto loans grew from 32,171 crores to 40,242 crores, which was a jump of 25% on year-to-year basis. Mortgage loans grew from 17,100 crores to 18,988 crores, which was a jump of 11% on year-to-year basis. Education loans also grew from 8,400 crores to 9,981 crores, which was a jump of 18.8%. Personal loans grew from 22,042 crores to 30,691 crores, which was a jump of 39.2%. While gold loans showed a significant jump of 136.4%. It grew from 2,660 crores to 6,288 crores on year-to-year basis. So advances to the agriculture sector was 1,27,583 crores, which was a jump of 9.1% on year-to-year basis to 1,39,160 crores, while gold loans grew from 37,992 crores to 42,621 crores, which was a jump of 12.2% on year-to-year basis. Advances to the MSME sector grew by 9.8% year-to-year basis from 1,09,222 crores, 220 crores to 1,19,940 crores. Corporate advances also showed a increase of 2.5% on year-to-year basis from 3,46,822 crores to 3,55,375 crores. Having a look at the industry-wise outstanding, infrastructure showed an increase of 12 its share has declined to 12.5%, which was 13% in the same quarter last year. So the outstanding as of June 24 is at 1,10,524 crores. Within infrastructure, power has an outstanding of 56,000 crores. Telecom sector has an outstanding of 8,033 crores. Roads and ports has an outstanding of 34,337 crores, and other infrastructure has an outstanding of 11,849 crores. Basic metals and metal industry has an outstanding of 17,888 crores. Iron and steel has an outstanding of 12,857 crores. Textiles has 15,651 crores outstanding. Petroleum sector has 7,145 crores outstanding. All engineering has 8,096 crores. Food processing has 30,000 crores of outstanding. Food, chemicals and chemical products at 13,251 crores. NBFCs has an outstanding of 1,20,000 crores. Other industry sectors has an outstanding of 2,05,000 crores. Retail loan has an outstanding of 2,30,000 crores, while agriculture has an outstanding of 1,39,000 crores. So the gross domestic advances stand at 8,81,000 crores. So lending to NBFCs with AAA rating stands at 1,02,873 crores, while AA rating has an outstanding of 34,000 crores. A rating NBFCs has an outstanding of 10,001 crores, while triple B NBFCs has an outstanding of 1,397 crores. BB and below NBFCs have an outstanding of 997 crores. The total stands at 1,49,428 crores. So in terms of financial inclusion, 7.05 crore accounts are active as of June 2024, while balances stood at 37,618 crores, with an average balance of about 5,336 rupees. Zero balance account in terms of percentage stood at 4.98% as of June 2024. Transactions were to the tune of 38,956 crores in Q1 of FY25. Number of transactions through correspondence were 8.05 crores. Market share of Bank of Baroda in PMJDY accounts is about 15.18% as of June 2024, while market share in PMJDY deposits is 17.73% as of June 2024. Now having a look at the NPAs, gross NPA for Q1 FY25 stood at 30,873 crores. The gross NPA ratio stood at 2.88% in Q1 FY25, while net NPA ratio stood at 0.69% as of Q1 FY25. India First Life Insurance is one of the subsidiaries of the bank, wherein it has a holding of 65%. BOB Card Limited is a 100% subsidiary of the bank, while Baroda BNP Paribas Assets Management India Private Limited, the bank has a holding of 50.1%. The total assets under management for India First Life Insurance is about 28,743 crores, which was a growth of 24.1% on year-to-year basis. Our Bank of Baroda cards, the number of cards as of June 24 stood at about 25.85 lakhs, which was a growth of 29% on year-to-year basis. 1.94 lakh new credit cards were issued in Q1 of FY25. For Baroda BNP Paribas Asset Management India Private Limited, the gross revenue for Q1 FY25 grew by 34% on year-to-year basis, which stood at about 38.9 crores. And the net profit stood at about 3.53 crores. Infra Debt, which is a joint venture where the company holds about 40.99% stake, and total income, NI plus other income, stood at 171.8 crores, which was a jump of 13.6% year-to-year basis. Baroda Global Share Services Limited, which is a 100% subsidiary, the total income stood at 107.74 crores, which has grown by 21.37% on year-to-year basis. VOB Capital Markets Limited is again a 100% subsidiary of the bank. Its total revenue stood at 12.41 crores, which was a jump of 45% on year-to-year basis. The bank has 80% holding in Bank of Baroda, Uganda, where the total deposit stands at about 4,389 crores, which has grown by 12.12% on year-to-year basis. So gross NPA ratio at the end of Q1 FY25 stood at 0.18%, while Bank of Baroda, Kenya, the bank holds 86.7%. Total deposits stood at about 10,237 crores. Net advances stood at about 3,971 crores. Net profits decreased by 37.05% on year-to-year basis to 38.83 crores. And GNPA at the end of Q1 FY25 stood at a staggering 14.08%. Bank of Baroda, Botswana, is again a 100% subsidiary of the bank. The total deposits stood at 1,711 crores, which was a growth of 28.39%. And the net advances also grew by 4.13% on year-to-year basis to 1,189 crores. Gross NPA at the end of Q1 FY25 stood at about 1.62%. The reserves of the bank stood at about 1,27,276 crores at June 24 quarter end, and deposits were at 13,30,000 crores, and borrowings stood at about 1 lakh crores. Earnings per share grew by 6.2% on year-to-year basis, from 8.6 rupees to 9.14 rupees on year-to-year basis. Now we'll have a look at some key parameters of the company. The P/E of the stock is 6.89. ROCE is 6.33%, ROE is 16.17%. Government of India holds 64.4% in the company, rather 64% of the company. Price to book value is 1.09. On quarter-to-quarter basis, the results were flat at 31,143 crores, and there was a decline in net profits from 5,160 crores to 4,764 crores on quarter-to-quarter basis. Now we'll have a look at the shareholding pattern of the bank. Government of India holds about 64% in the bank. FIs hold about 11.45%, which is a 1% decline on quarter-to-quarter basis, while DIs hold about 15.77%, which is again a decline of about 0.33% on quarter-to-quarter basis, while public holds 8.55%, which is an increase from 7.32% in the previous quarter. So this is it about Bank of Baroda. We'll meet up soon in the next video. Till then, take care and have a good time.